And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 160. Let me show you how you can remove a person. So in the last tutorials we've talked about the clone stamp and a healing brush tool. You can try that here as well. Let's say we want to get rid of the person on the right. But way easier is to just use Photoshop's generative fill. So activate the lasso tool, make sure that I'm on the first or second mode. And I simply draw an outline here over this person. Like so. It should give me a selection. If you have missed a little bit of a detail, maybe here at the bottom, switch to the second mode, which adds to the selection. And then draw over that again. So we've got the feet and maybe some shadows here covered. Now go to Window, open the contextual text bar, which is for generative fill. Left click on it, and you don't even have to prompt it. Just leave it empty and confirm via Enter. And here we go. Generative fill layer has 3 options by default. You have to check a little bit what fits the clothing here for the other person, or we'll get good results. One thing to watch out for is obviously hands and arms, especially when you want to remove someone in center. Switch back to the original layer. Make a new selection. Let me check if I covered everything. But that looks good. Again, generative fill, leave the prompt empty, confirm via Enter. And here you can see we've got some results that aren't perfect. Here try to create an arm, but the hand is missing. Here we've got a single hand. So only the one is usable. Sometimes you have to just rerun it again to get a decent result. But in the end you can see that even a person here from the center can be easily removed using generative fill. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.